Hello and welcome to my tutorial on Trello, more specifically Trello in Microsoft Teams. To access, if you're an outsider and want to know how to install it in Teams and more about it, stay tuned. First, if you're an outsider, just click on Add a tab in the search bar. You just search Trello. That would be up here. You just search Trello. It'll give you the option to add it, and you can also add it with a template. A template is what I'm using now that serves my purposes for design, to give a more organized view of things. Now, if you're a CCS member, Computer and Circuit Society member, you will likely to find yourself in this front page where we have meetings, we have discussed about the latest tech things. Next, to find our latest project or the Trello we're currently using, you just have to look on the tabs until you find Project Board. Project Board will take you on to our board, which is the Arduino toy car project. Here you'll find lists and cards. Lists are categories which hold cards. Cards are subcategories which can give you more details on the categories if you click on it. So cards can hold images to grab your attentions and also labels. If you click on a card, you can have a more detailed view. You can set date time if you have calendar installed, or just simply uh, you can modify it to whatever purposes you want. You can also comment on it. But for this tutorial, I'm going to keep it simple and teach you how to add lists and cards. If you want to add another card, add a card on listed already, just click on add another card. If you want to add a list, you go all the way to the right here. You click on add another list. For this tutorial, I'm just going to say tutorial. It's going to take you and it's going to create a new list for you easily, but we don't want that. We just want to add a card. Then it would be the card's name, which I'm just going to name card. Under this, we can have a detailed description, as I said before, or format it to the way you want it the most. Now this seems crazy, but as soon as you click save, you'll see that this different kinds of format, including code, and it would be very simply to use this to grab details, like if I wanted to make certain these cards shall have a title. So if I wanted bold, I just go in and click 2 stars around it. Title is now bold. It just grabs more attentions. Your users have to not register in the brains as much. It's really simple and easy. To add labels like you saw later with little color in front of the cards, it's very simple. You just have to go under add to card, you click on label, and you click on cards. You can click multiple of them. If you don't want to, if you have added a label, you can easily add another one here if you want it. Now this would respectively show the different labels to it. You can also add a cover, but I don't have anything. Since I don't have anything, I could just simply do this, and you can find your own cover pages, which is fantastic. Now I have installed a calendar in mine, which you can also do. You can also add menus, and you can see the edits that other people have made. But for members with a calendar, it's essentially better than the native calendar that Microsoft Teams has, simply because it's more bigger and you could see the cards more. So let's do due date, time 12, list that you want it in, position. Let's go to top. Let's add it in tutorial. Add, bada boom, bada doom. You're done, and it'll show you great. Now you just click on it. It's going to be essentially another card. And then here we can have a due date. We can change it to the 31st. It changes there. Now let's do it again. And here you can have a reminder. So that's just coming up here. Click on due date, and then you can set a reminder here. Let's do 10 minutes before at time of due date. I don't know why you would send a reminder then, or you can simply remove the due date. That would be my conclusion to this. If you want to go back from the calendar, there you go. That is a very simple tutorial on Trello in Microsoft Teams. Hope you had a good day, and see you next time.